Does your field personnel still use paper forms? If so, haven't you figured out how inconvenient and limited they are? Paper forms are error-prone, time-consuming and gets misplaced or lost that can adversely affect your service delivery. So what's the alternative? Introducing ReachOut's digital forms. Turn your phone or tablet into a smart data collection tool to securely and accurately collect or cross-reference data from the field. Go paperless and instantly share your completed forms with the back office for real-time verification. Access and fill in forms even at remote locations with zero connectivity and share it once back online. You can choose from two variants of digital forms, standard and style, to gauge data for a variety of field service activities such as work orders, inspections or audits. Through the built-in forms module, you can create reusable, mobile-friendly standard forms containing different question types, numerical data, multiple choice, drop-down and ratings. Ensure accuracy while you perform inspections using the logic function that controls question flow based on answers given. More importantly, you can score results using chosen numerical values and point out non-compliant answers to quickly resolve and meet compliance requirements. ReachOut style forms come predefined to suit different industries. Simply head to the form marketplace to access an extensive library of style forms that match your need. ReachOut also lets you digitize your paper forms tailored to your exact requirements. Just send us a copy of your paper forms and we will re-upload the digitized version back to your account, complete with rich graphics, easy-to-use interfaces, and your company logo on top. You can even attach and label photos along with the form to show proof of a job well done or highlight a problem. Easily recall information about customers, work orders or inspections with just a few clicks and auto-populate them to select fields for saving time. What's more, it is easier to keep track of compliance regulations suited for different industries by properly capturing, managing and storing them. In this way, you can ensure better accountability and leave behind a clear trail of proof for each work. No matter what industry you are offering service, from HVAC to pest control or general installations, ReachOut's digital forms bring extensive data gathering capabilities that help drastically improve the efficiency and quality of your service delivery. So what are you waiting for? Step up your field game with ReachOut's smart, reusable digital forms. Get in touch with us today.